Opo. Meron pa yatang mas malaki.
Hindi, so
Pero
ganyan
magkano-
kalaki o mas malaki dyan?
Mas malaki po ng konti.
Yung bag po nang galing sa OVP o galing sa Land Bank?
Dala po ni client, OBP.
So dala po nila yung bag. So handa na po sila para kunin yung pera.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So ilang milyon kada bag ang nailalagay?
Pwede po ba paki-state ninyo yung pangalan ninyo tsaka yung position ninyo?
I'm G&G Abay.
Pampakilapit po yung yung mic.
Good morning po to everybody and to all our officers. Jean Abaya po from Land Bank Shaw Boulevard Branch. I'm the department manager and assumed the position only as of January 2024.
So, Mr. Chair, is the good manager here now was also the manager present? I'm really sorry, hindi ko po alam yung date ng encashment na nasabi ni Attorney Camora. So, ma'am, covered ba nung tenure nyo itong encashment ng 125?
The one check is negotiated with Shaw Boulevard 2022 and the other 3 checks was negotiated 2023.
Wala pa po kayo nun, ma'am.
I'm not the department manager but I'm also assigned at Shaw Boulevard being the branch operation officer.
So, Mr. Chair, matanong po natin sa ating Land Bank representative, itong okasyong ito, ilang beses po nagkaroon ng encashment ng 125 million?
4 times po siya.
4 times. Sabay-sabay po yun? Buo yung 125 million or kinukuha as the need arises or base dun sa pangangailangan?
1 time po for each check.
1 time for each check. Sino po ang nagpupunta?
Mismong payee po. Miss,
Sino po ang payee, ma'am, sir? Mr.
Gina
Chair.
Acosta.
So kaya pala, Mr. Chair, habang ako ay wala pa dito, naririnig ko na lahat kayo nagagalit na nung wala si Ma'am Acosta dahil nga siya ang makakasagot ng karamihan ng tanong dito. Is that our understanding, Mr. Chair? Tama po ba?
Tama po kayo as SDO.
Okay. So ma'am, pagka nag-encash ka ng 125 million, magkano po ang yung average na pera na nasa bangko?
The amount is not sufficient for that 125. So, we asked the client...
Pasensya na po, ma'am. Okay lang pong Tagalogin natin para po medyo mas
sige po, ma'am.
maintindihan.
Yung pong limit ng aming vault will not be sufficient kung ang pinag-uusapan po natin is yung 125 million. So, per ano po namin, we request our client po na magpa-reserve for us to prepare po yung cash requirement of our client before the encashment, the day of encashment.
So in this case, meron naman nagpa-reserve.
Meron po.
Sino po, Mr. Chair?
From the agency po.
Sino po kaya from the agency?
Since that time kasi po, I was not in the position po to na mag-accept nung reservation. I will check po dun sa record namin sa branch.
Pare-pareho bang tao ang nagpapa-reserve or hindi naman?
Generally po, from the cash division po of the agency. But I cannot disclose yung exact name or person.
Bakit po, Mr. Chair?
Ma'am, I'm sorry po kasi by that time nga, as I've said earlier po, na I'm not the branch head during that time. And mostly kasi, either po the branch head or yung cashier po namin ang pwedeng mag-receive ng reservation of
Pero
cash.
alam niyo po kung sino ang nagpapa-reserve.
Hindi po.
Kasi isang branch lang. So pwede niyo pong matanong, Mr.
Ma'am,
Chair?
Nandito po ba yung branch head during that time? Nandito po ngayon?
Wala po siya, Chair.
Wala. Okay.
Retired na po siya.
Retired na. Okay.
So maybe, Mr. Chair, we can invite the former branch chair.
Would you like to, ano po bang pangalan niya?
Yung former manager po.
Yes, nung December 2022 up to September 2023.
Violeta Constantino po.
Violeta
Constantino.
Constantino.
Mr. Chair, I move that we invite Mrs. Constantino in our next hearing.
Is there any second to the motion? Duly seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
So, Mr. Chair, the reason why I'm asking this, andun kasi yung risk. Yung risk ng tao, for all we know, kawawa rin naman si Ma'am Gina Acosta, na pupunta siya, delikado ang buhay niyan. Kasi 125 million cash is not a joke. Ito po ay 4 or 5 beses na pumabalik-balik siya, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
4 times po, since yung check po na na-issued is 4.
So, mag-isa lang talaga siya na pumupunta or merong mga kasama?
May mga kasama po.
May mga kasama. Nakikilala niyo po yung mga kasama niya?
No, ma'am.
By face, makikilala po?
Hindi na po, Miss Chair.
Ano po yung sasakyan na ginagamit nila?
We're not aware po of the, kasi po yung parking, hindi naman po namin.
Kasi di ba yung pera nasa loob ng bangko? Maglalabas ka ng pera sa labas, isasakay po ba natin sa tricycle, Mr. Chair?
Hindi po. It's since over-the-counter transaction po siya, after release po kasi ng bank sa client, it's call na po ni client where kung saan
Ma'am,
po
can
nila
you please
ilalagay.
speak closer to the microphone?
Hindi na po namin chine-check or minomonitor yung kung anong car po or vehicle
Sino po,
po.
Mr. Chair, Your Honors, yung naghahakwat?
Sila po mismo, yung mga client.
Ibig sabihin, wala pong taga-bangko ang naghahakwat or nagpapalabas?
Wala po.
Yeah. It's just quite unusual, Mr. Chair, that the branch manager who's present here now seems to have probably a temporary amnesia on what has happened. Kasi napaka-imposible pong maglalabas ka ng 125 million cash 4 na beses ni hindi mo lang titingnan kung ano yung paglalagyan at ni hindi mo tutulungan yung kliyente na maglabas ng pera. Kasi syempre, alam mong it can invite perpetrators, either ma-hold up, either pasukin yung branch. Kung ganyan po ba, ma'am, nilalock yung branch or parang open to all lang?
Miss Chair, hindi naman po. Yung dun sa lalagyan, ma'am, nakikita naman po namin kasi from the teller, i-release po yung money. So the teller, nakikita niya po kung saan niya ilalagay yung money. So yung dun sa paglabas po, since malaki po yung amount, so from the release po, parang dapat wala na pong touch ang one of the personnel since po ilalabas na po siya sa bank. So ang ano po namin doon,
Dumadaan siya ng teller, bale, doon yung teller, yung parang may mesa po na ganon, ma'am? Bale, igaganon mo po.
actually nire-request naman po yun ni client na dapat doon sa discrete place. So since malaki po yung amount, nire-release po namin siya at the back of the teller.
Sorry, ma'am, at the...
Back of the teller po, yung medyo discreet po yung area para hindi po naka-expose
Hindi nyo
sa tao.
tinitingnan yung risk ng empleyado ng gobyerno na kumukuha siya ng malaking cash. Baka mamaya masaksak yan paglabas ng bangko.
Nasa likod nga po, back of the teller po, nasa back room po ng teller.
Back ng teller, yung dinadaanan niya, yung pa rin yung main door or merong ibang daanan.
Yung exit, yung entrance and exit, isa lang po yung dun sa case po ng Shaw Boulevard branch.
So, doon din lumalabas.
Yes, Miss
Okay.
Chair.
At ang naghahakwat nun ay yung kliyente na mismo?
Opo, kasi may mga kasama naman po sila na ano. na
Hindi nyo po kilala yung mga kasama.
hindi po.
Hindi nyo
Chair.
naman hinahatid yung pera papunta sa opisina, sa DepEd.
Hindi po, Miss Chair.
Pero pwede siyang ihatid, Mr. Chair.
Hindi po, Miss Chair.
Bakit po? Di ba meron kayong armored vehicle?
Wala po kasi kaming MOA with regards to the delivery of the cash to the client. Wala po kaming memorandum of agreement with them. So, talagang over the
So
counter.
lahat po ng kung ihahatid dapat may MOA.
If we will be using the armored card po, Miss
Hindi
Chair.
na kung for purposes of safety kasi kawawa naman yung mga empleyado at kawani ng gobyerno kung malay mo may pag-interesan sila. Hindi nyo hinahatid ng armored vehicle papunta dun sa opisina para naman safe sila.
Yun po, kung meron po kaming memorandum of agreement kasi yung armored car is need po ng
Sino po yung teller na nag-release ng pera?
teller po ng branch.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Miss Chair, since 4 checks po ang issued check for negotiation, iba-ibang teller po yung nag-issue.
So iba-ibang teller
Oo,
siya.
so in our case, 3 tellers po yung iba-ibang nag-serve.
Okay. At usually is this usual for Land Bank?
In case po ni Shaw Boulevard, that large amount, hindi po siya usual kasi hindi naman po lahat ng client namin nag-encash ng ganong kalaking amount.
Unusual po siya sa pananaw nyo.
Opo, Miss Chair.
Yeah. Mr. Chair, the reason why I'm asking this is we're putting the risk of our government officials and our government employees. Imagine, magwi-withdraw ka ganyan kalaki, cold cash. Maybe in aid of legislation, there can also be a cap kasi pwede naman na maraming SDOs or pwede naman to ginawang every other week yung pag-disperse. Tsaka ang tanong rin, there are just a lot of questions, Mr. Chair, because if you get 125 million cash and you bring it to an office, a government office, may vault ba yung government office? Maybe we can ask the representatives from OVP. Meron po tayong vault doon, ma'am, Mr. Chair? Wala na. Can the finance chief answer, Mr. Chair?
Yes, Attorney Sanchez or Attorney Lopez?
Mr. Chair, we have a vault for our cash division, but that is not the same vault being used by the SDO. So I am not aware if there is a separate vault used by the SDO.
Si Ma'am Attorney Zulaika, meron po?
Your Honor, I am aware of a vault as mentioned by the Director for Finance and Admin, for cash. It's used for, I think, understand payroll and petty cash fund.
It's used for payroll? Hindi po ba online na po ang payroll natin, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
I'm
oo.
sorry. May I refer this matter to our Chief Accountant and Director for Admin and Finance?
Ma'am, just to add, Mr. Chair, just to add to what I mentioned earlier, the vault for the cash division is being used primarily for petty cash fund, but there are also some items of payroll. For example, clothing allowance, Your Honor, which are paid in cash to employees.
In your experience, is it safe to take 125 million cash from the bank and transfer it to your office? Risky po ba yon sa inyo? Pwede po ba kayong pasukin? May capability ba kayo na i-deter yung mga possible untoward incidents? Kung sakasakaling mangyari, palayo naman sana at buti hindi nangyari.
Mr. Chair, in terms of the security arrangements in the office, we regularly coordinate with the Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group for security assessment, and we take their recommendations. For example, if they advise us to add additional blue guards, we take their recommendations and apply it. But we defer
So in
to
this
their
case,
risk
Mr.
assessment.
Chair, yung 4 na beses na kumukuha kayo ng cash na 125 million sa Land Bank at nililipat sa opisina ng Vice President, ano po ang naging security measures na ginawa nyo?
Mr. Chair, I apologize, but I do not have personal knowledge on the specific security measures undertaken.
Can you speak closely to the microphone, please?
Sorry, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I do not have personal knowledge on the specific security measures undertaken after the check was released.
Alam nyo po kaya, maybe the Chief of Staff or the Finance, would you know sino po ang driver nung sasakyan na kumukuha ng pera?
Your Honor, I am not really privy to financial matters in the office. My role really as Chief of Staff is based purely operations. So I think the better person to answer really for admin and financial concerns would be Director Lynn Sanchez.
Director Lynn Sanchez. So, Director, pag dumarating po yung pera, saan po dinidiretso?
Mr. Chair, after the cash division releases the check to the special disbursing officer, we already have no participation on the encashment or handling
So,
of
ibig
the
sabihin,
cash.
Mr. Chair, pagkakuha ng pera sa Land Bank ng 125 million, 4 na beses, hindi siya bumabalik sa office ni Vice President.
Mr. Chair, I do not have information on whether bumabalik siya po or hindi.
So, hindi siya napupunta sa opisina. Kasi 4 na beses ito, Mr. Chair, Madam Resource Person nangyari. Tsaka ang laki kasi ng amount eh. Ilang kahon po yun?
Yes, Mr. Chair, as mentioned earlier, hindi ko na po nakikita yung pag-encash and pag-handle ng
So,
cash.
maybe, Mr. Chair, we can ask the Land Bank Manager. Ma'am, ilang boxes po yun?
Doon po sa amount ng for the OBP, 2 box po siya ng BSP box.
2 box siya ng BSP box. So, ibig sabihin,
Point of clarification. Sorry, I've never seen a BSP box. How big is that box?
Malaki po siya, Mr. Chair, pero pag kinash out po namin siya kay client, hindi na po siya naka-box. They put it in bag. In our lang.
Mr. Chair, can we request the resource person to
Yeah.
speak close to the microphone? So, hindi na siya naka-box. Saan po, ma'am?
Linalagay po ni client dun sa kanyang sariling bag. May dala po silang bag.
Sorry, may I just interject? Anong bag po ito? Duffel bag? Eco bag? Ano pong bag?
Congressman Pamela Zapata.
Very curious lang ako. Kasi ang laki nung amount na pinag-uusapan. So anong maleta po ba?
As I remember po, malalaki siyang parang gym bag.
Duffel bag.
Duffel bag.
Ah,
Ang isang duffel bag po, ilan po ang kasya doon?
hindi ko po ma-remember yung kung ilan yung kasi parang hinati-hati po nila.
Ilang duffel bag po yun?
Hindi
if you
ko,
could recall.
more or less po mga nasa 3 to 4 duffel bags.
3 to 4.
Ay, duffel bags, parang gym bag po, not duffel bags.
Parang gym bag
Opo,
na malaki.
na malalaki
Kasi kung
po.
3 to 4 sa 125, so more or less mga 25 to 30 million na kada isa. Tama po ba?
Probably, Mr.
Probably.
Chair.
Chair, mag-interject lang. Mr. Chair.
Yes, Congressman Jojo.
Sa kay manager, sure kayo na hindi nag-request for delivery? Considering yung amount niya at saka 4 times na may withdrawal at syempre once na nag-abiso sa bangko, the following day ang withdrawal nito supposedly, di ba? So, parang unusual naman na pipick upin nila sa bangko yung actual na withdrawal. Di ba, pagka ganitong extent ng withdrawal, usually, no? Kasi galing din ako ng bangko, ma'am, dine-deliver yung mga ganitong kalalaking amount.
Hindi po, Mr. Chair, since nabanggit ko kanina na wala naman po kaming memorandum of agreement as to the cash delivery.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Yes,
Can
Congressman.
we inquire
Garin.
from other resource person if indeed a memorandum of agreement is needed when you use the, what do you call that? The special vehicle, armored vehicle.
Miss Camposano. Ma'am, before I recognize you, the chair would like to recognize Senior Deputy Speaker, Don Gonzales. Yes, please continue.
Yes, Madam Chair, a memorandum of agreement is needed for us the day to deliver the cash to our client.
In this case, did you not suggest or recommend to the agencies concerned that the cash be delivered by your armored vehicle, considering that this is cold cash and you are in Metro Manila where there is traffic and those traffic stops can actually put the danger of our DepEd and OVP officials in jeopardy. Kasi ang dali-dali lang yan, may mag-text lang, ayan o, naglalabas ng pera, unless marami ang nag-secure sa OVP at sa DepEd para ilabas yung cash na ito. Or the next question is, saan ito nilalagay? Kasi syempre, ang laking pera, kunyari 125 million cash, bibit-bitin mo pa uwi sa opisina, gaano po kalaki ang office ni Ma'am Gina Acosta? Maybe we can ask
Representative
the-
from OVP. Attorney Sanchez.
Yes, Mr. Chair. It's just a small office, Mr. Chair, and it's shared with other staff.
So, Mr. Chair, Your Honors, no? Tama naman po na yung accountable is Miss Gina Acosta because she's the payee of the check. However, that's taxpayers' money. That's still pera ng sambayan ng Pilipino na inintrust sa OVP at sa DepEd. And our good, distinguished resource person here, Attorney Sanchez, tama naman. I'm not sure, Mr. Chair, I'm not a lawyer, but is it not that they will also be accountable because they are aware that a 125 million cash check will be encashed, brought back in cold cash, stored in the office that is shared by many people. So I think accountability does not stop with Ms. Acosta. Accountability also includes those in the finance and cash division kasi alam nila, unang-una, kapag ikaw ay nasa gobyerno, you have to make sure na yung cash na nasa office nyo ay tama-tama lang para hindi hold upin yung mga empleyado doon. Pangalawa, it's a shared office. Pangatlo, it's a huge amount. May I ask, Mr. Chair, ma'am, bakit po, instead of 125 million cash, 4 na beses, ba't di nyo na lang ginawang 10 million, 15 million, lower, para yung risk hindi malaki? Kasi di ba nasa opisina nyo nakatago ang pera? Bakit po?
Attorney Sanchez.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I would just like to clarify that I do not know if kung saan po nakatago yung pera. So, I'm not aware kung sa opisina
So you
po
are not
nakatago.
sure na from the bank, tinediretso sa office?
Yes, Mr. Chair. And then, in terms of the amount...
Mr. Chair, sorry to cut you on that, ha. Ma'am, kayo ang nagpaparelease, kayo ang nag-i-issue ng cheque. I-encash. Malaking amount. Ibig sabihin, hindi nyo na chine-check na napupunta sa opisina nyo? Next question, Mr. Chair. Is there a possibility that it is being brought by Gina Acosta to her house?
Mr. Chair, again, I do not have personal knowledge.
Is it
on-
possible?
Mr. Chair, for possibility, I would agree that there is possibility, Your Honor.
In this case, Mr. Chair, ma'am, pasensya na po. Pero you are in charge of the coffers of the OVP. You would release a check of 125 million, not once, not twice, not thrice, but 4 times, and cash it totally and then pinapabayaan nyo na lang, kung inuwi yan at pinakbo ng tao.
Mr. Chair, under the joint circular, it is the responsibility of the Special Disbursing Officer to safekeep the fund. So it is also for that reason that there is a bond for the Special Disbursing Officer. And as to the amount that was asked earlier, we just relied on the amount of the disbursement voucher that was submitted to the accounting division for the release of the checks, Mr. Chair.
Yeah. Mr. Chair,
Ma'am, sandali lang po,
Yes.
may isang tatanong lang ako. Kanina sinabi po ninyo maliit lang yung opisina ni Ma'am Gina Acosta. Tama po ba? Could you please describe the office of Miss Gina Acosta?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, the office of Ms. Gina Acosta, it's located in the executive wing of our office. So, different staff sila doon, and then parang cubicle lang siya na tabi-tabi.
Cubicle lang.
Yes, Mr.
Wala
Chair.
ba siyang taguan doon sa opisina niya ng pera?
I am not aware, Mr. Chair.
So, pag sinabi mong cubicle, di ibig sabihin, hindi siya talaga office.
Yes.
Tama ba?
Mr. Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, there is no way na po pwede niyang itago sa opisina niya yung 125 million. Tama po ba? Kasi cubicle lang eh.
Mr. Chair, may mga storage shelves doon sa opisina.
Storage shelf.
Shelves, cabinets, Mr.
Cabinet,
Chair.
but not
Yes.
vault.
I'm not aware of any vault, Mr. Chair. And I have not inspected the storage shelves, Mr. Chair.
Chairman.
Yes. Congressman Paduano.
Nasa likod ako eh. But anyway, Mr. Chairman, yung land bank ba? Land bank, ano ba talaga nangyari? You delivered, kinuha, 125 million?
Mr. Chair, kinuha po siya sa bank.
Yung 125 million?
Yes, Mr.
Sino yung cashier teller that time?
3 tellers po yung involved, different checks po.
Different checks. Ilang checks yun?
4 checks, sir.
Mr. Chairman, can we invite in the next hearing the tellers involved in this transaction? Para magkalinawan po tayo dito kasi I doubt, Mr. Chairman. Ma'am, land bank, do you have a MOA with the office of the Vice President?
No, Mr. Chair.
Sigurado po kayo?
Opo.
Wala kayong MOA?
MOA for the cash delivery, no, Mr. Chair.
How about cash deposits?
We have a MOA payroll lang po.
Sorry?
Payroll.
Payroll, not cash advances on other projects and transaction.
Yes.
O kindly submit then yung MOA nyo with the OVP para matingnan namin. What was the last date nung MOA nyo?
2022.
O paki-submit po para matingnan natin. Then, Mr. Chairman, we invite all the tellers involved.
Could you please submit the names, the list of the names of the tellers
Yes, Mr.
to the COMSEC? Okay.
Yes,
Mr. Chair, last lang po.
Yes, Congressman
Ma'am,
Paduano.
the transaction happens when?
Yung isa po, first check 2022 and the rest na 3 checks 2023.
Ito po, 2022?
Yes, Mr.
How much
Chair.
is the 2022 transaction?
125 million.
Then, yung 2023?
3 checks po, 125 each transaction.
125 each transaction. So, yung 2022 nyo, 125 each transaction. Tama?
125.
Okay. Now, ma'am, ganito, 125, ma'am, ha? Ilang, ano yan? Ilang luggage yan?
Mr.
Sabihin natin.
Chair, ano po, duffel bag daw po.
Duffel bag?
Opo.
Oh,
Gym bag.
Gym
Apat
bag.
na gym
Gym
bag.
bag.
Gym bag.
Gym bag?
Yung
So may get, that's around 30 million per bag?
more or less, Mr. Chair.
Ano yun, more or less? Oh, yeah. Oh, now, that was 2022, 2023, di ba?
Yes, Mr.
Okay.
Chair.
Ito lang po, ma'am. From the teller, sino nang bitbit palabas? Of course, sa sasakyan ni, ni Acosta, di ba? Sinong bumitbit?
Client po, Mr. Chair.
Sorry?
Client po.
Yeah.
Client?
May nag-assist po kay Miss Gina ako.
Na client, not
And,
your,
no.
not your personnel.
Hindi
Sigurado
po,
ka?
Mr. Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, ganito na, Mr. Chair. Can we issue a subpoena at those STECOM with regards to CCTV during the time? Mama, tandaan nyo, may record kayo dyan involving that transaction, Mr. Chairman, para makita natin kung nandun talaga si Acosta, wala. Because this happens, ma'am, in some of transaction being made by government agencies. And it was also investigated in my committee. Pakisubmit po yung transaction na yun, 2022 at saka 2023, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Second.
Is
Mr.
there any
Chair,
objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Congress,
Yeah.
DS, JJ Suarez.
curious lang ako dito sa pagbubuhat nung
Duffel
duffel
bag.
bag. Oh. Comsec, meron kasi akong hiram na duffel bag dito. Pakita mo nga kung ito yung ganito kalaki yung duffel bag. Mama, ganyan kalaki?
Opo. Meron pa yatang mas malaki.
Hindi. So,
Pero
ganyan
malaki.
kalaki o mas malaki dyan?
Mas malaki po ng konti.
Yung bag po nang galing sa OVP o galing sa Land Bank?
Dala po ni client, OBP.
So dala po nila yung bag. So handa na po sila para kunin yung pera.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So ilang milyon kada bag ang nailalagay?
Sila po kasi yung nag-insert na po dun sa bag, naglagay sa bag from the teller. Nung ni-release po ng teller, sila na po ang nag-divide dun sa bags.
Without the supervision of Land Bank or under the supervision of Land Bank?
Witness pa rin po ng nag-release na teller.
So thank you that we invited the teller. Now question, I can imagine kung 4 na bag yon, 125 divided by 4 more or less would be around 30, 35. You know, my math isn't so good. Kaso lang I would imagine mabigat po yun.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So ilang tao ang kinikailangan, mga 31 million, no? 31 million, tama. So ilang tao ang napansin ninyo na bumubuhat nung isang bag?
As far po na remember ko,
Pakilapit po yung mic.
sa pagkakaalala ko po, 2.
So dalawa kada bag.
Mr. Chair, very quick interjection. Quick interjection.
Congressman Garin.
Ilang kilo po ang 35 million, Mr. Chair?
Hindi ko po ma-estimate, Mr.
I'm sorry, Congressman Garin, I'm not in a position to answer that, no? But actually, that was my point. Kasi kung mabigat po yun, I would imagine. So kung 2 tao kada bag, 4 na bag, yun po ay binabalikan ng 2 tao o more than 2 people accompany Ms. Acosta to withdraw the cash?
More than 2 people po.
More than 2. So are you saying 4? How many individuals?
More or less po sa pagka-remember ko.